Hey, what is up, guys? So, I'm going to go over this pre market high strategy which I've been mentioning for the last 2-3 months, and it's very simple, very easy to learn. But let's just quickly go over this in this video today. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and give it a comment below. So, let's start off with BHIL. This was actually a runner today, which we were talking about in the Discord early on, but the main principle of this is the pre-market high strategy. So the market usually opens around this time here, this 9:30 time, 9:30 NYC time, and you got your pre-market high there at 0.2584. And look, what you instantly do is you mark that pre-market high. I've got it marked with the purple color on this horizontal line. You got that pre-market high marked, pre-market resistance essentially, as you can see. But you got that marked. Once you have that marked, you switch to a lower time frame. Switch to the 5-minute time frame, and we had the 5-minute close above. Once you got that close above, look, just switch over to this 1-minute chart, and you'll see we've got all our confirmation. It's pre-market high, we're closing above, and look, we got that retest. Got that retest candle, and your entries are just here. You're risking around probably around 5%, even 4% you could risk, just under this green candle. So you got around a 4% risk, and again, look how we move. We move all the way here. That's an 80% move of this simple strategy. But this is not only one chart this has happened. There's another example, TGTX. So all you do is look, switch to the high time frame and mark the pre-market high for that particular day. So essentially for this one we have here 9:30 was the high. The high is 10.87. We got that marked. Switch back down to the 5-minute chart. So now that I've switched to the 5-minute chart, I'm looking for this area. So just here. Yep, that's your pre-market high. And look, we break, close that 5-minute above, switch to the 1-minute. You're going to look for that retest. And look, it's just simple. Look, you get that retest. You get that retest just here with this green candle after you close above. And look, this risk, this one's probably one of the best ones, because let's say you get entry here. Your risk is 3%. You're risking just here, 10.55. So you're risking under the trend, under that daily trend. And if it breaks below, and it breaks below this level, this play won't really recover, and it's very hard for it to break below towards that level. And we hit an 11.56. It's not the biggest move, but again, it's a strategy which you can utilize to your advantage. Another play, and this is another one that I ran today, OTLK, the pre-market high strategy, a full effect. So look here, guys. So what did I mention? I mentioned the high. So the high is around, just get that particular date right. 1 second. So the pre-market high is just here. So there's 9:30 when the market opens. Just here, look at this candle. The high is 0.35. And look, we got that marked. Switch to the 5-minute. We break up, we get a close above. Now I switch to the 1-minute. And then look at that 1-minute chart. Just look how perfect it is on the 1-minute. That retest is absolutely amazing. But let's say you get entry, you got your risk. Your risk is about 5%, 3%, 4%, whatever you want to have your risk as. But once you get that 5-minute close above, you got your confirmation that this play is in play. So that'll give you extra confirmation and give you extra thesis behind your trade. So yeah, it really is that simple. Look how much is moved today. This is a be in play next week as well. Guys, hit a thumbs up if you want me to do a live stream on Sunday. Come on, guys, hit a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I will do a live stream for you guys on Sunday. And if you got any questions on this, I'm more than happy to go over it. But look, you got your entry, and look at this. That is a 22% move, and this is still going. We're still in trend. So essentially, you could use this for reversal mechanisms, etc. Now IBRX, another one. Actually, this was another one, but it quite plays off quite well. I'm just looking at this in time frame. So let's just mark this as we go. So we've got the date here. So yeah, this does break as well. So we've got the line here. So your pre-market high is 3.7, just here. So let me just mark that. Just here. That's your pre-market high. Okay. So now you look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute broke, came back down. It retested. And you look at the 1-minute as well. The 1-minute also, it represents quite well. Once we broke, we never really followed back down. Again, look at this move from here to there. 10% move. Another easy trade. Another good trade. Now let's go on another one, VSME, which I alerted yesterday. I actually alerted using I had this line marked. I knew that once we break, there is a chance we're gonna push. So we've got a pre-market high marked here. What's the high? 0.949. We got that marked. So essentially 0.595 area. To you guys that are very Pacific, I'm sorry, but look, switch over to the 5 minute and look at this. So look at this. 930 there. We break and look at that. The way we retest and we base. Then you switch to the 1 minute. And argument entry is just above that area. But look, we triggered after breaking that 5 minute pre-market high. So very, very simple on that. It's just a very simple strategy to use. A lot of people use this in options. So let me explain in option terms. For you guys that didn't understand small cap terms, this will probably be even easier for you guys. You can play both puts and calls on this. So look, we're seeing SPY. SPY has a gap up. 930, which is pre-market, which is market open. So that's your pre-market high. You mark this area. So that's your high. Pre-market. You mark it. Look, you get a nice retest of that level. Switch to the 5 minute chart. Look, you look at the retest. Look at it. Once you get that retest, you just draw a simple trend line. That's a very, very simple trend line that can be drawn. Nothing special. Look, once you break up that trend line, you could take calls. You're taking calls from 434 all the way to 436. That's good money in options. It's very good money. And I don't know. Let's look at something else. For example, Apple. And we'll just rechart this right now for you guys to make it a bit more clear on this strategy. So Apple, where are you, boy? There you are. So you got your Apple. So let's look at the 930 area. There you go. That's your candle just there. So that's your pre-market high. Let's mark our pre-market high. Just there. Let's just color it. Pre-market high. There you go. And now look at the way it just acts. It breaks. And switch to the 5 minute chart. Look at that. We retest above and push 177, 174 to 177. Another nice move just based on the strategy alone. So this strategy is very profitable, both on the downside and upside. If a play goes down, you could play it. If a play goes up, you could play it. But yeah, that's the main conclusion of the strategy. Guys, if you understood this video, can you please drop a like, drop a comment. If you want me to stream on Sunday, drop a comment. Hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video. I'll catch you guys on Sunday. Peace.